Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Women spoke up for safer, more reliable, dependable, and local app-based driven transport services for Goa. The aim was to focus on collective voice of Goan women, from college students, working professionals, senior citizens to homemakers, on why local taxi app service is pressing need for Goa to help women do better in day-to-day life and achieve more. Women from all walks of life shared their thoughts and real-life experiences on Saturday.
Everybody is talking about having app-based taxi in Goa, right? And we as women, we face a lot of problem. So that is why we got these women from different fields, different age groups today to voice their feelings as to why we actually need an app-based taxi in Goa. Because when every state, every union territory can have it, why not us?
2047. So technology, as we all know, is a key pillar to vision, and Goa Transport Aggregator guidelines they tell you how we can integrate digital solutions to improve livelihood, service, and economic outcomes. For Goa to emerge as a role model, it is very important, because even I have had friends who have come and told me that it is not possible to get good taxis in Goa.
Today I had to keep my vehicle at the Miramar Circle, take a public transport, because I know that I won't get parking here. If I had an app-based taxi, probably I would have come by that. So I think that is my requirement.
Goa, as we all know, is a favorite tourist destination, but we as a people definitely need more secure, safe, transparent, transport system. And I think it's a high time to demand for a web-based taxi services. Let alone tourists, we also when we have to go to remote places or in night time, we don't know, it's so uncertain, how to travel. Are we going to get a taxi back? And what would be the prices, with whom we would be traveling. So these all things are there. So definitely we need an app which is also women-centric, student-centric, because we have a lot of students coming to Goa to study. So definitely app should have the systems embedded in it, which talks about emergency SOS.
Personally, I just want to be able to go from point A to point B without depending on 5 different people. My parents are both work full time, and sometimes I can't help but feeling stuck. Because I can't drive, I can't carpool, always carpool because I mostly do. And we don't even have this app-based cab service which is everywhere, so I'm stuck. My grandmother as well, I would feel so bad for her because she's home most of the time, and sometimes she just wants to go to the Panjim market or the doctor, but she can't unless someone takes her. I just want to say, the freedom to mobility isn't a luxury, it's a right. And when it quietly takes away the opportunity to work, to study, to go to an important a meeting,